Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleap, our channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to hide phone number on Telegram. Now the first thing you have to do is open Telegram. From here tap on this icon, then go to settings, then tap on privacy and security, then tap on phone number. Here you can see who can see my phone number settings, and there are three options: everybody, my contacts and nobody. If you select everybody, then anyone can see your phone number. Also, if you select my contacts, that means only people in your contact list can see your phone number. And if you select nobody, then no one can see your phone number. That means your phone number will be hidden. Then select nobody, then tap on this icon, and it's done. Here you can see nobody selected. And that is how you can hide phone number on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.